iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus vacuum stands out as one of the most advanced robot vacuums available, offering an impressive combination of smart navigation, powerful cleaning, and convenience. This vacuum is equipped with precision vision navigation, allowing it to detect and avoid obstacles such as pet waste, shoes, and socks. This ensures that your floors are cleaned efficiently without having to worry about interruptions or the device getting stuck. What's more, iRobot guarantees that the Roomba J7 Plus will avoid pet accidents, offering peace of mind for pet owners. The Roomba J7 Plus features 10 times power-lifting suction and dual multi-surface rubber brushes that flex to adapt to different floor types, making it highly effective at picking up dirt, debris, and pet hair. Whether you have hardwood, carpet, or tile, this robot vacuum is built to deliver thorough cleaning performance across all surfaces. Additionally, the device's self-emptying capabilities mean that it can automatically dispose of dirt into the CleanBase automatic dirt disposal system, which uses enclosed bags to prevent dust from escaping, so you don't have to empty the bin manually for up to 60 days. With the ability to spot clean via the iRobot Home app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home, the Roomba J7 Plus also offers personalized cleaning schedules based on your routines. Overall, it's an ideal choice for anyone looking for a smart, efficient, and hands-free vacuum solution. Roborock Q5 Plus. The Roborock Q5 Plus robot vacuum brings smart technology and efficient cleaning to your home with impressive features. It's powered by PrecaSense LiDAR navigation, providing precise mapping for thorough, efficient cleaning. With this technology, the Q5 Plus can even create 3D maps of your home, enhancing its ability to navigate and clean all areas with ease. Its powerful 2,700 Pascal suction ensures that dust, debris, and pet hair are effectively lifted from both hard floors and carpets. The multi-plane floating main brush makes it even more effective, adjusting to different floor surfaces for deeper cleaning, and it's designed to resist hair tangle, perfect for homes with pets. One standout feature is the self-emptying dock, which automatically empties the dustbin after each cleaning session, holding up to 7 weeks worth of dirt in its 2.5-liter bag. This hands-free cleaning eliminates the need for frequent maintenance, a game changer for busy households. The Q5 Plus also offers long cleaning sessions, lasting up to 180 minutes, covering large areas without needing a recharge. The app control, voice integration with Alexa, and multi-level mapping add convenience and flexibility to your cleaning routine. While it doesn't feature mopping capabilities, the Q5 Plus excels in vacuuming performance, providing an efficient and low-maintenance cleaning solution. For those looking for a hassle-free experience, this robot vacuum is a solid choice. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. Introducing the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, one of the most powerful self-emptying robot vacuums on the market today. Designed to make cleaning effortless, the S9 Plus offers 40x more suction power compared to its predecessors, ensuring deep cleans on carpets and hard floors alike. The 3-stage cleaning system lifts, loosens, and eliminates dirt and pet hair with remarkable efficiency. Thanks to its Power Boost technology, it automatically increases suction when transitioning to carpets, delivering a more thorough clean. What sets the Roomba S9 Plus apart is its self-emptying feature. The vacuum automatically empties its bin into an enclosed bag that holds up to 60 days of debris, meaning you can forget about vacuuming for 2 whole months. The S9 Plus is also smart, with imprint smart mapping that lets you control and schedule cleaning sessions, while keep-out zones ensure the vacuum avoids certain areas. For pet owners, this vacuum is a game changer. Its large dual rubber brushes are designed to prevent tangling, even with pet hair. And with perfect edge technology, it cleans deep into corners and along edges, making it a great option for homes with pets. The Roomba S9 Plus is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for voice control and the ability to spot clean messes as soon as they happen. With all these advanced features, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is a smart, powerful, and hands-free cleaning solution, highly recommended for those looking for an efficient and hassle-free clean. Shark AV752 ION. Up next, let's talk about the Shark AV752 ION robot vacuum, a versatile and efficient cleaning solution for your home. This robot vacuum is equipped with a tri-brush system that combines side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll, ensuring it effectively tackles debris across various floor types. Its smart sensors can detect ledges and stairs, preventing any accidental drops while navigating around your home. One of the standout features of the Shark AV752 ION is its impressive 120-minute runtime, allowing it to clean your entire home or multiple rooms on a single charge. The vacuum can be easily controlled via the SharkClean app or voice commands using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Whether you want to start or stop cleaning or schedule the vacuum to clean at specific times, the app makes it incredibly convenient. While the Shark AV752 ION is effective for general cleaning, it's not without its limitation. It lacks advanced mapping technology, which means it doesn't optimize its cleaning path, potentially leading to less efficient coverage of large areas. Additionally, it may struggle with fine debris, especially on thicker carpets, requiring occasional maintenance. eufy RoboVac G30. Next up, we have the eufy RoboVac G30, a powerful robot vacuum designed to elevate your cleaning experience. The G30 is a sleek and efficient cleaning solution, particularly beneficial for pet owners, thanks to its impressive 2,000 Pascal suction power. Whether you're dealing with carpets, hard floors, or pet hair, this vacuum gets the job done with ease. Weighing only 2.7 kilograms, the G30's ultra-slim profile allows it to clean under furniture and reach areas other vacuums can't. With dynamic navigation 2.0, it uses path tracking sensors to methodically clean every corner, ensuring thorough coverage of your home. The app control feature gives you full flexibility, letting you start, stop, and schedule cleanings remotely, while also providing cleaning history for easy tracking. One of the standout features is the Boost IQ technology, which automatically increases suction when extra power is needed, ensuring a deeper clean in high-traffic areas. And if you're looking for a hands-free experience, the RoboVac G30 works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, making voice control a breeze.